Tonight is a good night to trade euros and boons. We have a new version of the money management algorithms, revision 5. I'm going to highlight it in the NinjaTrader platform, but it's also true. What's true in NinjaTrader for this? It's a new release because we've had it in TradeStation and multi-charts. Now we offer it in NinjaTrader, and so the webinar on Tuesday, right after the market closes, it will be in the NinjaTrader platform, but it will also apply to TradeStation and multi-charts. And you can see one of the new things I've added is the pinpoint entry algorithm 2, and we're going to here's a look at Euro Gap going back 5 years at Euro Gap. You see the last two recent trades. You see the results here, the plain results without slippage and commission. You get 68.80 average trade profit, $4,000 drawdown, 610% return over drawdown of the last 5 years. And over here on the right side is our algorithm. We applied it to the euro on a 1-minute chart, and you see we go up from 68 to $111 average trade profit, 29.50 drawdown, and 30,000 net profit. This also is boosted from around 600% to around 1,000%. And these are just the basic results. The algorithm that we're using is pinpoint entry 2. We have the pinpoint entry algorithm that is based on a closed bar basis. Pinpoint entry 2 is just based from the entry price. It just sets a limit order, 10 points. Here's the number of points. So in this case, we're buying 10 points lower than the entry price on the main strategy for long trades, or we're shorting 10 points higher. So many times you have a strategy, you don't know how to program it. Once you get an entry price, you don't know how to program it to test better entry prices. But with this algorithm, it just sets that entry price as an anchor, and then puts a limit order 10 points lower for longs or 10 points higher for shorts, and it really works well on gap strategies. And this is the Euro gap strategy. Also works on the Bund. We see here the base strategy in the Bund for the last 5 years. This is in US dollars, $40 average trade profit, almost a $4,000 drawdown, so you get 554 net profit as a percentage of drawdown. And then I'm going to click over here on the window on the right. It has the algorithm in it, and it goes in 5 ticks lower. We adjust our stop loss to make our stop loss 5 points tighter, and our profit target 5 points higher to match the original strategy. So basically, it still gets in and out the same place on the profit target and stop loss that the original strategy does, but it gets in 5 ticks better. So you get, on average, you go from about $40 to about $68 average trade profit. You reduced your max drawdown by about 1,000, and 62% profitable. So you see the results here. Here's the equity curve. Great improvement in the equity curve. If you click on the left, here is the equity curve. You click on the right. Really nice. This is a long only strategy. It's making equity peaks, but its last trade is a loser. And if you look at the trade analysis, it doesn't have that many consecutive losers past 2, and it's already had 1. So it's a good night to start trading the gaps and the boons on the long side. So that's the update on the money management algorithms and the revision 5. If you have that, you'll be getting that at the end of this week. We have the webinar on Tuesday, so I encourage you to show up for that. It's also on my site. It's at a special price, and that special price will end at the end of this month.